Hey guys, so it is a new day and I wanted to clean out my fridge today for my clean with me, and I'm like a little embarrassed actually to show this to you guys because, sorry by the way, I look crazy. I never look good during the day, but my fridge gets so messy. You guys know how it goes, and I'm always like jealous of those people who have those like pristine fridges. It's not me. I feel like food gets everywhere, crumbs. Between me and Nick, it just turns into a big mess. So I took out some stuff. Let me show you guys the before. This is the top shelf. It is so gross and there's crumbs and stuff. I took everything out. I was watching a YouTube video. Sour cream. I have like even some skincare that I keep in the fridge, even though I just got a skincare fridge. And then I have these containers from Dollar Tree that I was cleaning out. So I'm gonna use this cleaner, which I got from Stop and Shop. I try and only use natural cleaners. This one's 97% plant-based, so that is very important to me because cleaning products I feel like can be just so toxic. I've even made my own cleaning products in the past with ingredients, which I love doing as well. The thing I'm grateful for, like, with today is that there's so many more options for like natural cleaners. So I'm gonna put you guys on my tripod and speed this up and show you guys how I clean inside my fridge. We have work to do. These shelves do pop out because I do see there's some stuff on the side. I'm trying to figure out how I got these out. I think there's something with this over here. I'm actually gonna go on the side, these little creases in here, and get out the junk. See, there's like gross stuff in there. Gross, gross, gross. So always make sure to get not just the top part, but also in all the crevices. All this little side and back area too, because that gets really dirty, and also underneath I like to clean. Oh my gosh, you guys, we are already looking so much better, so much cleaner. I swear every time before I do this, I'm like, I kind of not dread it, but I'm like, oh my gosh, like it's so dirty. But the satisfaction I get after I clean is just so nice. And I like to clean in these drawers because these also get so gross. Like that's where I keep my onion and stuff, and there's a lot of crumbs in there. So I'm just gonna take this out, and I actually like to take these out and I wash them out in hot soapy water so you can see it is really gross. And fill this up with hot soapy water. Oh, this is the brand I was trying to tell you guys. Mrs. Meyer's. This is from the holiday launch, whatever you want to call it, holiday collection. So I'm just going to put some soap in there and just fill it up with some more water and just let it soak for a little. I also got a new sponge. This is the Scrub Mommy Special Edition Cat Sponge. How cute is that? So the Scrub Mommy has the hard side and it has the soft side. So you can also use the holes to clean like forks and stuff. Spoons. Use the eyes as like finger holes. So I'm going to open this up. I actually got two, and I gave one as a gift because it's like the cutest. So love that. That's my first time using the Scrub Mommy. I've so far only used the Scrub Daddy, and you can put this in the dishwasher as well. So I'm gonna use, first I'm gonna wet it because it gets softer when you wet it. I found about this from TikTok, this sponge, because it kind of went viral over there. It was on Shark Tank, and they do some really cute content. So I like the rough side because it gets off that stuff that you wouldn't be able to get off yourself. And then I'm just gonna wash this out again. this looks pretty good, pretty clean. I'm gonna put this back into the fridge. Okay, I also like to clean where that pull-out drawer was, those little rails right there, because those get dirty too. The top part is clean, the first two shelves. I'm gonna go ahead and put back everything that was in here and try to make it look decent. So these are the little containers that are from Dollar Tree that I absolutely love. You guys can probably still find these. They won't be at every store. They're a little bit harder to find, unfortunately, but if you find them, grab them, because I love these for the fridge. They make everything more organized. So I don't really have like any sort of special rhyme or reason for what I put in here. I know some people go crazy and they like color code things, but I've just, you know, put in whatever I feel like. Like sometimes I'll put my cheeses together. Like this is my almond mozzarella cheese. And then I'll put this cheese. We have my bacon bits, so maybe that's, you know, a little bit more organized. And then I'll just put this back here, and see, it just makes everything so much more organized. Okay, the top two shelves are done. Now I need to work on the bottom shelf, take everything out, those two drawers, and I also have to work on the doors, because these also get really dirty from like the condiments and stuff. Like I see there's a stain down there. So let's work on this bottom area next. Another Dollar Tree fridge thing. It's the fridge soda can storage. It's the fridge can storage. It's also really hard to find. I only found it once. I actually don't keep soda cans in here. I just keep like little random things like my canned pumpkin and my yogurts, because it's just another way for me to have storage in here, and I don't have any soda cans. I don't drink soda. So now what I'm gonna do is clean inside here, because I feel like underneath the drawers also gets so gross. So I'm just gonna clean this up and wash the drawers. So much better than it was before. I don't feel gross anymore, and hopefully no one judges me for how nasty my fridge was and sees that I can do a pretty mean deep clean. I have to clean the floor now though, because of all the crumbs. But here we go. She is mean, she is clean, and pretty organized. I mean, for me this isn't bad. So there we have it. I got the itch to clean this drawer, and it is way overdue, you guys. This is so gross. This is my utensil drawer, and I'm honestly even ashamed to even show you how gross this is, but like this is real life. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna clean this. I put everything up here, and I'm gonna clean the inside of here because this is really gross too. It's just food ends up getting in here and like seasonings and stuff. So I'm gonna sweep this all up and show you guys the before and after. Hi. Are you so handsome? Oh my goodness, hi. You're so beauty. Hey, Dub, look at that foot. Oh, look at that foot. Hey. You sweetie. Okay, you go, Betty. Guys, here's the final result. I feel like it is so much cleaner. I did have to put a bunch of stuff in the wash because the drawer was so dirty. I feel like I had to wash a bunch of stuff that was in here, but I do store some stuff back there just to maximize the space of the whole drawer because it is a decently sized drawer. And then I keep straws in here, knives, spoons, forks, and these are like butter knives, which I do use quite a bit, measuring spoons, and then this container is from Dollar Tree, so I just use this to store little Dollar Tree spoons. And this guy, avocado slicer from Dollar Tree, this is a garlic press, which I actually barely use anymore because I just buy garlic already pressed in the little jar from Trader Joe's. It's so much easier. And then just random stuff over here that I've had literally forever. All this stuff I've had since 2014. I probably need some new stuff. Probably need some new utensils too. Maybe I will order those this year because these are all from almost 8 years ago, which is really crazy. So I feel much better with this. Is clean and washed and, you know, gotten all the nooks and crannies, and it's just so much more organized now. So thank you guys so much for watching my clean with me. I hope this inspired you to clean. And if you guys like these kinds of videos from me that are more like lifestyle, please let me know. Give this video a big thumbs up. I'm doing something a little bit different today, kind of test out an experiment, and I really like lifestyle content as well. So thank you guys so much for your love and support, and go get cleaning. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!